Hey guys, as you see in the picture, best online and offline offers on DMart. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? नाला इरकिंगला. As you see here, we'll check with the first online offers on DMart. These bobbins are at 50% off. You can get it just at 14 rupees. They look colorful, right? And yum. And not only candles, you can get chocolates, biscuits, and cakes at 50% off. This cake is just 5 rupees. And let me tell you, all the new users can get 50 off on their order, along with 3 free deliveries on their first 3 orders. But to get flat 50 off on their first order, you have to use the referral link, which I'll tell you in detail in the later part of the video. As you see here, this is jelly masa of 4 flavors. They are sour and sweet at the same time. You can enjoy the flavors. This is strawberry flavor, which I'm showing because I like the most. Okay, if you're not interested in strawberry flavor, you can go for mango, that is kacha mango, jeera, and you have one more flavor which you will for sure like it. And here comes the breakfast cereals, which is good for health. You can try this Nutri Delight. These come with 3 different flavors, which costs 28 rupees of 6 pack. You can enjoy in the mornings as breakfast with milk, or as a snack in the evenings, or you can go for supper if you're on diet in the nights. Anyways, now check out the best offers of DMart offline. That means you can walk into DMart stores nearby your homes and check with this recycle bag. It seems so big, right? At just 29 rupees. This is the best offer that I have ever found on DMart. And next we have men diamond slippers at rupees 92. And all the products on DMart, let me tell you, the bag which I have shown earlier also is of good quality. You can use for day-to-day works or running errands. Anyways, you have your bunch of good quality stuff. These are super strong flip-flops for men and boys. Durable, at the same time beautiful on your foot when you wear it. And you have slippers or flip-flops for girls and women at just 74 rupees. As you see here, you have plenty of colors which you can choose by yourself. It's good quality product. And if any of you watching my video for the first time, do subscribe, like, share my video. If any of you have subscribed watching this video, thank you all. Gracias. And here comes boxes at just 39 rupees. Okay, let me tell you, you can also get 2 boxes at just 39 rupees. You can check out. Now we'll see as how to order online on DMart. You can go to my description box, click on the referral link as shown here to get 50 off on your first order. Once you click the link, you can get the app. Then you can enable location. Once you enable the location, 50 off on your first order would be unlocked as a referral reward. Then you can log in with your phone number, and here you'll find half price store or 50% off top deals. You can click on that and check whatever the products you are in need and add them to cart. If you are not finding the products you need, you can give in the search bar the product name. Then you can see the products pop up for you. You can add from here. As I told earlier, this jelly masa is just 4 rupees. per pack at 50% off, and poppins at 50% off, just 14 rupees. And you have biscuits, chocolates at 50% off. You can go for sort to filter, low to high, and you can click on offers as shown here and go for this product offers if you're interested and add them to cart. Any products from those offers, go to cart now. After adding all the products in your cart, now click on proceed to checkout. You can choose for pickup point or home delivery, whichever you want. You can choose. Here I have chose pickup point. Slot timings, okay, 50 off plus free delivery on your first orders would be auto applied at checkout. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.